Welcome back. In this video we will see how to make banner in Canva. So guys, if you want to make banner in the Canva, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you simply search the Canva. Simply search the option of canva.com. After that guys, here you see the option of create. When you click on the option of create, you simply go for the custom size. When you click on the custom size, here you see the option of width and height. At the width, here you simply first change the unit into the inches, then 24, and the height is 74. These are the standard size. Then guys, create a new design. Now guys, here you see I think I am typed in the wrong. I am typing width is 74 and the height is 24. Now guys, here you see this is our banner. Here you see it is in the form of the banner. Okay, like check. Now it's time to edit it and go for the templates. Now here this is first template. Here you see it's look amazing. And if you want to do something more interesting, so guys, you also choose any other thing like this. It is also very good. Okay, grow smarter, rich further. So this is the way. When you select it, auto adjust itself. And if you want to add the text, so you just click it and change it like, okay, yeah. Okay, so this is the way that guys you can create the banner. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.